Have you ever known a change was needed but didn't want to make it? That's exactly where I once was. I was overweight, dealing with back pain, and struggling with limited mobility. My weight and weight size reflected what many would call obesity. I knew I needed to change, but I didn't want to give up processed foods that gave me enjoyment, and it actually felt good in the moment. So I cried out to God honestly. I asked Him to change my desires, not just my habits. And He did. Now, as a process to purpose nutrition coach, I want to help you take your first simple step toward forward movement, even if it's something you know you need but don't want to. You don't have to be ready, you just need a place to begin. I know how it feels. I know what it's like to not have the support you need. That's why I'm offering a free online workshop to help you get started in a safe, non judgment atmosphere. Register for the online workshop happening tomorrow, January 14th at noon. See you tomorrow. Let's do this together.